there, and welcome to today's Serendipity snippet all about how to work the outline stitch on your needlepoint canvas. Now, in the outline stitch, you want to hold your thread in the up position, so bring your needle and thread to the front of your canvas where you want to begin your row of stitching. Then you're going to take your needle to the back, a couple of threads over, holding that thread in the up position, and bring your needle to the front between those two canvas threads. Then you can ease that down onto the surface of the canvas. Again, hold your thread up in the up position. Take your needle into the canvas. You want to make your stitches even, so you're going to want to cover the same number of canvas threads as much as possible. Continue across that row, holding your thread in the up position until you've worked as many stitches as you wanted to create to cover the space that you're trying to cover. Thanks for checking in with me today and watching this short video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.